MSP account.
But before we begin, mga ka-MSP at MSPers on YouTube, make sure to please subscribe to our MSP YouTube channel, then click or press to the notification bell to all for more updates.
Lugaw ni Bossing, located at Romandia Street, Calinan, Davao City, originated from the branch in Metro Manila. There are rich, creamy, and sumptuous lugaw here in the city. Choose 9 different choices here in Lugaw ni Bossing. They are customized and personalized.
Welcome to Lugaw ni Bossing dito sa Romandia Street, Calinan, Davao City para sa second episode ng ating Michael's Kitchen Perfect. Tara, let's eat!
Everyone is happy. Choose one of our favorite toppings here on Lugaw ni Bossing, just like egg, goto, chicharon, adobo tito, and many more. Eat well, dream big, and be the boss with Lugaw ni Bossing. All ingredients are getting here at Lugaw ni Bossing, just like ginger, onions, garlic, rice, and many more. Simmering the rice with water and some other seasonings. The toppings are pork marinated in soy sauce, then fry it. Chop and put it in a container in just 4 days.
So, nandito ang 35 pesos na binili ko para sa ating lugaw with baboy. So, tikim na natin ngayon. Magbili ko lugaw na merong baboy, lugaw with baboy, 35 pesos daw.
To assemble the lugaw, we need 85, 90, or 95% of lugaw in your choice. Add the toppings, just like pork, 1/2 of a hard-boiled egg, fried garlic, scallions, and voila!
So that's lugaw with baboy made from lugaw with bossing.
The price of lugaw with baboy is 35 pesos each per bowl for dine-in or take-out.
So, nandito na ang lugaw ni Bossing at ito ang lugaw with baboy. So, nandito ang may fried garlic, nilagang itlog, mga pira-piraso ng piniritong baboy, scallions, at lugaw. So, let's do the mukbang! Sarap masyado. Tapos na! Wala nang sulod ang lugaw na kinakaon ako in 5 minutes. So that's it mga ka-MSP, MSPers, DCnatics at EDSAnatics dito sa the MSP Company's Michael's Kitchen Perfect, the original vlog for me on this very own account. Nagpapasalamat sa Lugaw ni Bossing, nag-franchise natin dito sa Romandia Street, Calinan, Davao City. This is Michelangelo Sacamos. Peace.
For more of the latest and most updated MSP exclusive videos, subscribe to our MSP YouTube channels, then click or press the notification bell to all for more updates. MSP ako mga ka-MSP at MSPers.